Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Tom, come here quickly.
What's going on? Did you burn the soup again?
No, it's not the soup. It's this box. I bought new headphones yesterday, but look inside.
Wait, those don't look like headphones. That's a hairdryer.
Exactly. I paid for headphones, but they gave me this.
Maybe it's the latest invention. Imagine listening to music while drying your hair. A revolutionary two-in-one product.
Tom, this is serious. Stop joking. I wanted music, not a hairstyle.
All right. But really, that's strange. How could they mess this up?
I don't know. But now I feel so nervous. What if I can't return it? What if they don't believe me?
Cece, calm down. Stores see this all the time. It's not your fault. You just explain politely, and they'll fix it.
Easy for you to say. I hate confrontations.
This isn't confrontation. It's simply explaining. You bought something, and they gave you the wrong item. That's their mistake, not yours.
But what if they refuse? What if they say no returns?
Then we'll deal with it together. But think about it. You're not asking for anything extra. You're asking for what you already paid for.
Still, my hands shake just imagining it. I feel like I'll lose my words.
That's why we'll practice. We'll rehearse exactly what you can say. By the time we get there, you'll sound clear and confident.
Confident? That word feels so far away.
You don't need to feel confident. You only need to sound polite and clear. That's enough. Let's do a role play. I'll be the shop assistant. You come in and explain. Ready?
This feels embarrassing.
Embarrassing now means easier later. Come on.
Fine. Excuse me, I'd like to return this.
Good start. Now I ask, why are you returning it?
Because it's the wrong item. I wanted headphones, but I got a hairdryer.
Perfect. Clear and simple.
My voice still sounds weak.
Weak but polite is still powerful. Try again. Louder this time.
I'd like to return this.
Better. One more time.
It's the wrong item. I wanted headphones, but I got a hairdryer.
Excellent. Cece, you sound ready.
You really think so?
I know so. And if you forget, I'll speak for you. But honestly, you can do this.
Tom, my heart is racing. What if I freeze?
Just breathe. Remember the words. You practice them. You can say them.
Hello. Can I help you today?
Yes. I'd like to return this.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have the receipt.
Thank you. And may I ask why you are returning it?
Because it's the wrong item. I wanted headphones, but I got a hairdryer.
Oh, that's unusual, but it happens. Don't worry. We'll fix it.
Really? You mean I can exchange it?
Absolutely. You can pick the headphones you wanted. They're right over there.
See? Easy. No problem.
I can't believe it. I was shaking inside, but it worked.
Most people feel nervous, but returning is normal. You were polite and clear. That makes everything easy.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Cece. Let's make sure this time it's really headphones inside the box.
Yes, open it right here. I don't want another surprise at home. Finally, real headphones.
Music is back on the menu.
Don't start with jokes again.
Fine, no jokes. But seriously, you did amazing. You stood up for yourself.
At first, I was terrified. But once I spoke, it got easier. The assistant was kind, and I realized people actually want to help.
Exactly. That's the lesson. Stay calm, be polite, explain clearly. That's all you need.
You know, Tom, today I learned something bigger than just shopping. I learned that using my voice matters. I don't have to stay silent when something goes wrong.
That's a powerful lesson. Confidence grows every time you face a fear.
Yes, and practicing the phrases made all the difference. I'd like to return this. It's the wrong item. These words gave me courage.
Words are tools, Cece. Once you have the right ones, you can handle many situations in life.
And now I feel stronger. And of course, I have my headphones. Tonight I'll play my favorite song and it will sound even sweeter.
Because you earned it. You faced the fear, and you won.
Exactly. Never be afraid to return something. Never be afraid to speak.
That's the spirit.
Okay, let's go home. Nervous, meaning feeling worried or afraid about what might happen. Tremble, meaning to shake slightly, usually because of fear or cold. Surprised, meaning feeling or showing shock because something is unexpected. Unusual, meaning not common, rare, or different. Relief, meaning a feeling of comfort after something difficult or worrying ends. Confidence, meaning the belief that you can do something well. Rehearse, meaning to practice something before doing it. Politeness, meaning the quality of being respectful and kind. Evidence, meaning something that shows or proves a fact. Courage, meaning the ability to face fear or difficulty with bravery. Confrontation, meaning a situation where two or more people face disagreement, argument, or conflict, often directly and face to face. I'd like to return this, meaning a polite way to tell the shop assistant you want to give something back. It's the wrong item, meaning Use this when the store gave you the wrong product. I wanted, but I got. Meaning, explain clearly the mistake with 2 items. Do you have the receipt? Yes, I have the receipt. Meaning, common question and answer during a return. Don't worry, we'll fix it for you. Meaning a reassuring sentence often used by shop assistants. And that's our lesson for today. Remember, if you ever need to return something, just stay calm, be polite, and use the simple phrases we practiced. You'll do great. If you enjoyed this story and want more easy English lessons, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay with me for the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you soon.